Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating a workspace. Open Paint 3D and tap the plus to make a new canvas. Choose a preset or type a custom size like 1920 x 1080 because resolution matters for export. Once done, switch to touch mode and enable stylus pressure when you have a pen. That gives natural strokes. Also import a reference image from photos if you need it, and name the project so you can find it quickly later. Now build your piece by blocking in shapes with the brush, eraser, and fill tools. You want a clear foundation before details. Next, add 3D objects from the library, then pinch to resize and rotate with 2 fingers. This lets you place forms precisely. Make sure to organize by creating layers and labeling them because that keeps edits reversible. If you need sculpting, switch to the 3D shaping tools and subtly adjust depth and bevel until proportions feel right. Finish by refining textures, lighting, and shadows. Preview from different angles so surfaces read correctly, and make small tweaks to specular highlights for realism. When you're satisfied, export using PNG or JPG for images or 3MF for 3D printing. Pick quality and size before saving. If something goes wrong, tools freezing or textures missing, clear the app cache, restart Paint 3D, and re-import the project. That fixes most hiccups and gets you back to painting quickly.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.